Hey again. So in the launch video, I teased a tool that can replace 5 expensive subscriptions, and including the website builder, email funnels, courses, even affiliate systems. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to set it up for absolutely free. Stick around because I made a free setup checklist that walks you through every single step, and the link is going to be in the description. Let's go. So first you head over to the Systeme, and I'll put the link below in the description. Click the big button that says start for free now, and that's all you have to do. Literally just put in your email address, create a password. That's it. No credit card required at all. And now, once you're signed in, you need to check your inbox, the same email address that you used to sign up for Systeme. You should be getting a confirmation email. Click on the link inside and you're in. That's it. Now, this is your dashboard. Don't let it intimidate you. On the left, you've got your main tools, your funnels, contacts, emails, products, courses, and affiliate. We'll use most of these in the series, so just stick around. The free plan lets you create up to 3 different funnels, which is more than enough if you're just trying things out, and 1 automation rule, and you can add up to 2,000 contacts, which is the biggest pro that I've ever gotten from a platform like this. More than enough to start. And this is where my checklist really helps. I've mapped out the exact order to set things up so you don't get lost. Link is below in the description, guys. Now, to explore more about the funnels part, you just have to click on the funnels, and on the left you will have this button create. You'll see a bunch of templates, webinar funnels, sales funnel, even a simple coming soon page. Pick sales funnel for now, and we're gonna go for that and give it a name, just like my first funnel or whatever works for you. And then this is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop these simple steps. We'll build a real funnel in second episode, the episode 2, which is coming soon, not to mention. For now, just get comfortable clicking around, exploring thing, and now let's explore the product section. So once you click on products on the left, then add product. Let's say you're selling an ebook, template pack, or a coaching call. Fill in the name, price, and description. That's all you got to do. Whatever you're selling, just name it. And Systeme handles payment through Stripe or PayPal, or if you don't have those set up yet, don't worry. The free plan still lets you practice. This is another spot where my checklist saves a lot of time for you guys. It shows you exactly which settings to tweak, and just so you don't miss anything. Okay, so the next part is the emails. Then just click on email, create an email. You can build sequences that go out automatically when someone signs up, exactly like this. We'll do a full tutorial on this in an episode 3. For now, just know it's there and it's really powerful. Even with the free account, you can do so much. I'll show you in the definitely the episode 3, so stick around. The free plan includes 1 automation rule though, but that's pretty much enough to send a welcome email to new subscribers. I'll show you how in the next video. And now we're looking at my favorite part, which is the system has this built-in affiliate system that you can recruit people to promote your product and pay them commission automatically. We'll cover this in episode 4, and this is going to be, as I said, this is the favorite part, and I'll cover the most of it in episode number 4. So again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Okay, so that's the setup. You've got a free account. You have seen the dashboard. You are ready to build your business, your digital business. So if you want to follow along without missing a step, grab my free Systeme setup checklist. It's a PDF that walks you through everything we just covered. Link is in the description, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, episode 2 drops soon. We'll build a real sales funnel together from scratch, and see you in the next one.